right, so we have big A and big C. Big A is 21, big C is 44, and we can figure out what B is by subtracting it from 180, so we got 115. And little c is 6.6. The way I know that it's little c is because it's opposite of big C. If you look, it's opposite of big C there. So that's how you know it's little c. So every formula that I gave you has one little number that's different. So we're going to use the one with the little c, okay? And that formula is c squared times sine of A sine of B over 2 sine of C. Got it? So we're going to put that in the formula. We've got 6.6 squared times sine of 21. And they're going to have a parenthesis there, so go ahead and put and sine of 115. And all that goes in parentheses over 2 times sine of 44. And go ahead and put that in the calculator just like that with all those parentheses. So the area of it is 10.18. This is 75. This is A, B, and C. And we have a 5 down here and a 75. So first thing you're going to do is find that third angle and tell me what that is. Should be a 20, I believe, but let me check it out. So it's 20 degrees. And this is 85 and 75 and 5. What is the 5? Is it big A, little B, or little C?
No, it's B. It's B.
It's little b this time. So you go to that second formula and you use the one with the little b, okay? Big A is 20, big B is 85, big C is 75, and little b is 5. So it should be 5 squared sine of 20 sine of 75 in parentheses all over 2 times sine of 85, and there's parentheses just like that. When you're keying it in, make sure you key in all those parentheses. So the answer is 4.15 units squared, and you're done.